Hello friends, they say there is light despite all the darkness. In today's video, I'm going to share two things with you. First, jobs in demand after COVID-19 pandemic. And second, the key skills that would be required post COVID-19. Dear friends, always remember, this COVID-19 pandemic must be harsh for you. It was so severe, but then now we are moving out of it as the vaccination has been rolled over. Always believe and have faith that hope, not hurt, would shape your future. As per India Today report, 12.2 crore people lost their livelihoods and jobs during COVID-19. And as per NDTV, nearly 1 in every 4 graduates is looking for a job. The time was tough. There was reverse migration, but now things are changing. You shall be aware of what are the in-demand areas for jobs post COVID-19. As I said, after sharing the jobs and areas with you that would be in demand after pandemic, I would share with you the key skills that would be required. Let's begin. Data management, cloud computing, virtual and augmented reality, especially in the field of education, web development in every field, cyber security, digital education, technology driven solutions for anything, chatbots, artificial intelligence specialists, 3D printing, healthcare, public safety, social media marketers, legal services, and digital marketing. These are the job areas that would be in high demand. God forbid if you were not in any job or if you lost it due to pandemic and you can still learn some skills in these related fields or just hone the skills that you possess, you should move forth with a positive approach. Coming to the second part of video, what would be the key skills that would be required post COVID-19? Now these skills are very important. The first being adaptability. Adaptability skills are very much required as there would be flexibility. If I talk about, for example, education field, there would be blended learning, that is online as well as offline, tech oriented as well as face to face. So how you adapt? If I talk about corporates, now many of the corporates that previously did not allow work from home are going for that. So adaptability skills would be highly required. Second are leadership skills. A good leader would make his or her team also do well, adapt well, and work effectively. So good leadership skills, as were always there in demand, would still be highly required. Third, counseling. Now counselors would be required, and either in the offices, in the field of education, in corporate world, in business world, anyone who has been through a bad phase during COVID-19 and now resuming work would need a sort of counseling, because it has not just physically impacted us, it has psychologically affected us. So counseling skills would be required, highly preferred. Next are conceptualization skills that would be in high demand. Coding skills, again every industry would need good coders. And lastly, digital skills. Now in any field, even those fields that were not tech savvy would now require a team that would be tech savvy. So all sort of digital skills will be in high demand. So friends, I hope you have time, to hone your skills, to learn better. And the good thing is, for most of the things we have online material and online trainings available. You may not have to even move out to various places and remotely train yourself. I wish you all the best, and may you get what you deserve. May God bless you all. Thank you.